Hello students, welcome to my channel Shortened Classes with Renu. Students, आज हम कैलाश चंद्रा का वॉल्यूम 2 और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर 24 करेंगे. 80 वर्ड पर मिनट. स्टार्ट. मैडम डिप्टी चेयरमैन, I rise to support the bill which has been moved by the Honorable Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. This bill incorporates certain sentiments which the country holds so dear as far as the office of President is concerned, and also incorporates the faith of the people in themselves that when they will elect a president, the person who would be occupying the high post would be a person who would have not only the love and affection of the people, but would be, as the Honorable Minister pointed out, a dedicated politician whose whole life is dedicated to the service of the nation before he became the president, during his occupation of the office of president, and even after he retired from that office. It is this confidence of the people in themselves and the high love and affection which they hold for this office which have resulted in this particular bill being considered by the House at the present moment. The Honorable Minister has pointed out that the President who has just retired has fulfilled all the requirements which are the basis of this particular measure, and the measure which was passed in 2001. I wish that he had mentioned the last Governor General also, to whom both the measure apply. Whether we may agree or may not agree with the last Governor General on some of the political views that he holds, there can be no two opinions that the last Governor General was also an illustrious son and is an illustrious son of the country, and deserves all the consideration, all the love, and all respect of the country which are being incorporated in the present measure and were incorporated in the 2001 Act. While therefore fully supporting the measure which is now before the House, I would like certain clarifications regarding the rules that are going to be made for giving effect to the provisions which have been incorporated in the present bill. In the statement of objects and reasons, we are told that a person holding the high office of president have been, after retirement, many public calls on him, and it is therefore considered desirable to provide him with secretarial staff. It is further stated that the bill provides for a staff which may be engaged for the president.